on a ketogenic diet and you would like to keep your blood sugar on a constant level, but you're still searching for an occasional sweet treat or maybe also for something sweet for breakfast at the weekend, in this case, my recipe for gluten-free low-carb waffles with a sauce out of berries and a topping made of nut butter and cocoa, which resembles the taste of Nutella very much, is exactly the right thing for you. A real feel-good meal which is yummy, but which is still absolutely healthy. As a reward for yourself, for example after a morning workout or training, you can start your day perfectly strengthened with it, since it contains proteins and other valuable ingredients. The special thing about my waffle dough is the flour. We replace the highly problematic wheat flour by a real superfood alternative. Wheat flour causes with its many carbohydrates and missing fibers extreme blood sugar increases, which could trigger insulin resistance. On top of that, wheat flour is highly artificially cultured and irritates the gut with its highly problematic gluten. Our digestible alternative to wheat flour is sweet lupine flour. Sweet lupine flour is completely gluten-free and it only contains approximately 10% carbs. This recipe gets its sweetness instead of from artificially refined sugar through the natural sweetness of the berries. Berries like raspberries are a real superfood. The special aspect is that the insulin level only rises moderately when consuming them. Additionally, they contain important and awesome phytochemicals which have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory and even cancer-inhibiting effects. And the great thing is that even the frozen berries have this advantage because the substances are preserved when freezing. And this is how you make healthy gluten-free low-carb waffles with a berry sauce.